so bad. What's going on, guys? Here we are on a Monday, and I'm gonna make another lower unit stand for you guys. So we got my trusty old one made out of garbage wood, and then I got my new one that I'm gonna make out of more garbage wood. I'm gonna use these 2x4s. You don't need to use this big stuff. This is just what I had. But yeah, I don't have a, unfortunately, I don't have a Milwaukee circular saw, so I'm gonna use that because I don't feel like running a 200-foot extension cord because my house is too far away. And I just want to do all the work in here in my little quiet corner. Thanks for watching. I know this is not the right thing to use, but it works, right? So what we have here are the legs. I made them just a little over 2 feet, same length as these. You can make it shorter, taller, really however you want. You can make it have 4 legs, 3 legs, whatever you're feeling. But I got the 3 legs cut, and then I'm gonna cut this piece and this piece, and then this about 18 inches long, and that fits any gear case pretty good. I'm making this the most hillbilly way you possibly could. Oh, there we go. Because I'm lazy, and to show you that anybody can make it, not just Tony. Maybe I could show you how I built my outboard stand one day. That one was funny. It worked though. Held my 250 for like a year, and I got to drag it around. Alright, welcome to my office. So it's kind of cheating for me because I have one in front of me, but I'm not sure what the best way to go about this would be, but maybe we start with the single. Oh, sorry guys. Flipped over. There we go. Maybe we start with the single leg with this piece. Yeah, that's what we'll do. Single leg. I don't work with wood ever, so you guys can make fun of me as much as you want. Definitely smells better than working with fiberglass. Yeah, that's nice. Look at that. It's beautiful. Oh, I'm retarded. That's what this piece is for. Alright, so you want to screw in the flat piece on this part. This is what's going to hold the actual gear case. That's what these other pieces are for, so you can screw the actual bracing part up. Yeah, definitely don't do the legs first like I just did, because then you'll have to unscrew it. Oh, schnitzel. Oh no. Here it is. So this part, you kind of want to leave the spacing in between the wood, like a little, maybe 1/4 inch, a little more, just to fit the skeg of the gear case in there. Now if that's broken off, then you kind of schnit out of luck on that one. Sweet. Sweet. It'll probably be crooked. That's nice. Oh yeah, I'd like to thank the designer engineer for this lower unit stand. It's actually Nick, aka George Jetson, my partner in crime in this business. I think he made this when he was like 2. Yeah. And then you put one leg here, and a leg, and a leg, and you got it. Yeah, this is nice, guys. I should start selling these. Probably not level, it probably wobbles, but the lower unit's not laying on the ground. Now is it? Oh, shit. Alright, I got one more screw to put in here. You know, maybe I'll put like a support. What do you think? You think this will help it? If I do something like that? A little extra, right? So the chicken legs don't break, because that one's got a little thicker thigh. Nice. Alright, well, before I end the video, here's the measurements of everything I did. The legs were about 2 feet high. This can really be however long you want. This is a little over 17 inches. This is a little under 7. I think really the only important thing is this. I would definitely not make this any smaller, just because when you put a gear case on here, you know, the nose of it probably gonna come up to like here. If you really only do the big heavy 300 and up gear cases like all the time, maybe make it a little more stout, but I've used that on 300s plenty of times and it hasn't broke yet. See? It's strong. Maybe not the strongest, but it'll hold a gear case. Alright guys, that's really it. Thanks for watching.